When you get a hair transplant, is it possible to lose the transplanted hair? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, a hair transplant surgeon. I'm going to answer the question of if you do lose transplanted hair due to genetic hair loss. The question is transplanted hair always permanent? The answer is most likely yes. So when we get a hair transplant, if the transplanted hair is extracted from the back and sides of the scalp or the beard area or the body, these are the hairs that are supposed to be permanent. We never lose them. At least normal people with just pattern hair loss, they're not supposed to lose hair on the back and sides, or the beard hair is not going to go less by aging. We can assume that those transplanted hairs are permanent, and you can keep them for the rest of your life. However, there is a small subcategory of people with male pattern hair loss that you see when they get older, even the hair on the back gets very flimsy and very thin. If you have that, you may experience the same thing with the transplanted hair, because those hairs are from the same source. To find out whether or not you have that condition, look at the older people in family, people with the same pattern of hair loss that they started losing hair at the same age that you started, and see what happens to them when you become 70, 80, or 90 years of age. If you feel like the hair on the back is also getting flimsy and very thin, the same thing could happen to the transplanted hair. I hope you enjoyed this video and that was a good answer to your question. If you have any other questions, put it in the comment section or follow us on our social media and our website.